ba ay naghahanap or nagre-research mo ano pang mga other ways para kumita online just by working from home? Or isa ka ba sa mga nakakakita ng mga motivational videos sa mga content creators sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram na sila mismo ay freelancers or virtual assistant na kumikita sa bahay ng malaki kaysa sa corporate? Well, you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to share to you high income skills na proven sa mga Pinoy na tumaas ang kanilang income. Before, ang mindset ko noon, gusto kong yumaman. Pero hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko ba, paano yumaman. Ano yung vehicle ko, ano yung path ko para ma-achieve yung financial goals ko. Or yung tinatawag nilang financial freedom. And just like you, I just keep on watching tips and tricks sa YouTube videos kasi ang sarap mag-binge watch. Habang nanonood ka, mas na-encourage ka at mas na-motivate ka. Hello everyone, it's me again, Niña, your Amazon VA expert, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Amazon Nation, where we empower you to reach your income goals and lifestyle dreams through having different online opportunities. In this video, we're going to talk about high income skills that every Pinoy should know if gusto nilang ma-conquer ang freelancing world by having their own expertise, skills, at mapoprofit nila yun through their servicing. But before ko i-reveal yun, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification button para lagi kang updated sa mga contents about freelancing, Amazon VA, and share nyo naman sa comment section ano pa bang magagandang online opportunities para sa mga freelancers this 2023. Kaya naman, let's reveal those skills. Ikaw ba ay into computers, analytics, interpreting data, mining? Then being an IT is for you. In today's age, napaka-significant maging nasa IT industry kasi naman everyone likes online shopping, lagi na sa social media, halos lahat ng ginagawang na tao ay online. And with that, there needs to be a people behind the back end para ma-operate yung mga online services na yun. In IT, ang daming choices paano ka pumasok sa ganong work. Merong direct sa office, may hybrid, and work from home. And alam mo ba, according to jobstreet.com, ang sinusweldo ng mga IT professionals ay 35,000 pesos hanggang 65,000 pesos income on a monthly basis. Number 2, education. Ikaw ba ang mahilig magturo, mag-share ng knowledge, gusto mo ikaw yung teacher, tapos gusto mo meron kang mga students na nakikinig sa'yo? Why not leverage this and teach online? Madami ngayon naghahanap na parents na tutors para sa kanilang mga anak. Lalo na yung mga bata ngayon, mas gusto nilang natututo online or kung naka-video call pa nga eh. Tapos i-share ng screen ng modules with their teachers. Aside na very convenient maging tutor online, all you need to have is a good Wi-Fi, good lighting, good camera para maganda at maganahan ng mga students makita ka on cam. And with that, makakaturo ka pa, at the same time, makaka-earn ka pa. There are different ways para makater itong services mo as a tutor. Pwede ka mag-sell ng online courses, where you can sell modules and self-paced masterclasses. And ang pinakasikat sa lahat ay ang pagiging ESL tutor, or English Secondary Language Tutor. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Nagtataka ka ba na madami ka nakikitang mga influencers na nagpo-promote ng kanilang mga products or nagpo-promote ng ibang product at sila yung brand or yung face? Tapos dumaan na din ba sa wall mo yung yellow basket from TikTok at nabudol ka pa doon? Kasi naman, ang purpose mo sa TikTok is manood ng mga nakakaaliw na videos. Tapos, habang nag-scroll down ka, bigla ka nalang makakakita ng interesting product at sobrang accessible para bumili. Click ka lang ng yellow basket, tapos nakakonect pa ang GCash mo at i-deliver na kaagad yung product sa bahay mo. But behind those videos, did you know na napakadami ng tao ang yumaman dito? No need for you to have a manufacturing product, hindi mo na din kailangan ng sariling warehouse, at hindi na din ikaw parang yung mismo magdadala ng product sa customer na yon. And no need to license your business. Yes, that is possible. And yes, you can do that too. Gawa ka lang ng product video and demo mo kung paano mo siya ginagamit. And say something about it. Magkwento ka lang sa video. And per unit na merong bumibili dun sa product na yun, dun ka na nagkakaroon ng commissions. Grabe guys, may mga nakikita nga akong content creators na kumikita sila ng 500,000 pesos just by creating contents of reviewing products sa TikTok. At hindi lang ito exclusive sa TikTok. Meron din sa Facebook, sa Instagram, marami pang other places. So if you are someone na hilig bumili at mag-review ng products, then maybe affiliate marketing is for you. Number 4, account managing or managing an e-commerce store. Ikaw ba ay mahilig bumili online mo pa Shopee, Lazada, Amazon? Ang dami bumibili ng mga items sa mga platforms na ito kasi napaka-convenient bumili. All you need to have is your phone and your laptop. Makakabili ka na ng kung ano mga gusto mo and it will be delivered straight to your doorsteps. Pero naiisip mo ba paano na-handle ng mga sellers ang pag-pack at pag-deliver ng kanilang mga goods and services? What if I tell you that these online sellers ay nagle-leverage lang sila? Kumbaga, nag-hire sila ng mga virtual assistants to work for them. You can actually earn a lot by being part of the team, by operating the business. And the best part, all you need is your laptop and Wi-Fi at pwede ka nang mag-work. At ang maganda pa dyan, mas maganda kung pipili ka ng platform na maraming access sa different countries, like Amazon. Mas maraming customers, so that means malaki ang mabebenta nyo, mas maraming units na sa sell. And with that, mas maraming ibabayad sa'yo si client. Kumbaga, mas malaki ang rate na ibibigay niya sa'yo. But of course, behind that very exciting opportunity, in the back end, meron din kailangan mga pag-aralan at not so glamorous side. So, kailangan meron ka mga trainings kung sasabak ka sa gantong industry, being a virtual assistant that is specializing in e-commerce, specifically Amazon. Dapat alam mo ang mga basic skills para makapag-negotiate ka ka-client ng higher rate. But wait, don't worry. Hindi mo kailangan ng past experiences or clients para ma-hire ka. All you need is trainings and dapat meron kang familiarization and alam mo how to navigate the Seller Central account. Personally, that's why I joined the ASBA Masterclass. Para ma-learn ko ang mga basics sa Amazon Seller Central account. Syempre, kailangan ko yan to perform well kay client. Gaya ng iba, I started without any experience, yung tipong wala akong client before. What I only have is just my experience sa trainings. But did you know that there are clients out there in abroad that are willing to hire virtual assistants in the Philippines as long as they have training backgrounds? And mas madaming Amazon sellers ngayon ay naghahanap ng virtual assistant because they need help to operate their business. And malay mo, in the future, isa ka na dun sa virtual assistant na i-hire nila. At dahil sa pagiging Amazon VA ko, hawak ko na ang oras ko at mas malaki pa ang kinikita ko kaysa sa dati ko pang work. So that's it you guys. Those are the high income skills that you need to try this 2023. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. Meron pa tayong mga months bago matapos ang 2023. Kaya naman, make use out of it. Go hustle and bustle para mas lumaki pa ang ating income at para mas maging abundant ang ating life. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. And kung may mga questions kayo about being a freelancer or virtual assistant, comment down below at sasagutin natin yan. Until next time, this is again Niña, your Amazon Nation best friend, and with Amazon Nation, we open possibilities. Goodbye!